Hello, Crunch. Are you all right?
No, the Crunch is not all right. The Crunch has got a tickle in his nose.
Your nose?
My nose. Inside my nose. Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Don't worry, we'll look after you.
Thank you.
We better be quick. He's going to sneeze again.
La la la. Keep going.
No. Now, Crunch's nose and Crunch's eyes are...
Yes.
Do another dance, are you?
No, it's these flowers.
You have hay fever. The powdery pollen inside the flowers gets inside your nose and makes you sneeze.